One of my favorite demonstrations for center of mass is the two forks balanced on the end of a match. And so this one's relatively easy to set up, and I like to have it in the lab just as students walk in and they can see what's going on here. And visually, it seems like it shouldn't work. It's sort of quite counterintuitive, but it's a beautiful demonstration of center of mass. And you can often buy little toys from toy shop or from a $2 or $5 shop, little birds where you can balance the beak on the whole object balances just on the tip of the beak. So this is the same principle here. And to really exaggerate the phenomena, what I do is I burn the match down to it'll burn naturally just up to the edge of the glass beaker, and then I find that if I use a second match just to help really char that part of that burnt part of the match head, and then take a pen and can strike down and get the object just on the tip of that match. You might try and just burn off that last little bit. Not sure if I've really managed that. There we go. And so it's a really nice demonstration just to start a conversation about center of mass. And if you're careful, you're normally able to lift that, which will be quite surprising, I suspect, for a lot of the students. Okay, and so to set that up, you want two forks, and you need to interlock the tines of the fork, and you want to take a matchstick and wedge the edge of the matchstick into those interlocking tines, and then you should be able to place that on the edge of the beaker and find its center of mass just by positioning the match backwards and forwards. And so as long as it's not knocked, then that will stay there indefinitely. Thank you.